They're an item. Now, can I explain? Jane, Dave?
Yes.
Can I see your whites in your eyes? Now, the oysters must be lifted, I'll demonstrate, from the tray, and you must eat from the shell. So you can't really pick. Now, if an oyster falls onto the tray and you have, accidentally, that's fine, you can lift it. I don't mind that, but don't be lifting straight up out into your mouth. Okay? That's the simple rule. It's 30 oysters. It's the quickest time to finish. There is a little Guinness there if you wish to refresh yourself at any time. Go for a sauna or a jog or anything in between.
That's a trap. That's a trap.
The concentration's mad, isn't it? And it's only the oysters. You can drink the Guinness after, you don't have to finish the
Don't worry
Guinness,
about the
okay?
Guinness,
So you understand the rules. You will start with the hands behind your head. It will be 3, 2, 1, and then you will go. Okay? A little bit of silence, please. A little bit of concentration. On the count. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
And David's in his first row of oysters. Jane is struggling here.
Let's go, James!
Jane is Jane's on her second row.
Keep going, keep going!
He's on to his fourth row of oysters.
Two hands.
He's halfway through the oysters.
Two hands, Jane.
Really going strong here. He's on to the second last row. And David's running into his horse.